Hello guys, welcome back with Website Panda. Today I would like to talk about on-demand printing and how can you use this method in order to build a passive income stream with $0 investment. Now, if you don't know what on-demand printing is, this is where me as a person who want to establish a business where I print t-shirts, mugs, etc. without actually owning the material and all of this stuff. All I have to do is get my logo or my artwork, put it on a mug, put it on a t-shirt, put it in a pillow, really whatever I want. A good example is really this mug. You can see this logo or this artwork is done by me. I have not done all of it technically. I just put the text, but this was done by a graphic designer for my business. And I paid a company. Actually, I didn't pay them. All I did is I take this artwork, I give it to an on-demand printing company, tell them, hey guys, every time somebody orders this mug on my website, go ahead and send it to them. Now I sell this mug on Etsy, eBay, Amazon. So it's literally a passive income stream. Once I set it up one time, once people go and order it, I don't even have to do a damn thing. I don't need to move a finger. The order gets created on Amazon or Etsy. It gets sent out immediately to the on-demand printing company. What they're gonna do is they're gonna create the order, put the logo, whatever the case is. It doesn't even have to be logo, it can be just a funny statement. And they will go ahead and ship it directly to the customers while I enjoy relaxing somewhere. Now this trick actually have made me over $1,000 in profit literally every month last year, which was a really good gig for me, especially with everything going on in the economy. Now here's what you would need to do. You need 3 exact steps technically in order to, what we can call them 4, in order to go ahead and set up your own on-demand printing business. The first step is find an on-demand printing company. Now there's a lot of them. You can do your own homework. I personally would recommend a company called Printful. I have used it in the past and actually I'm still using it today. If you want to order this from Amazon or Etsy, you will literally go ahead through that company right now. So the reason I picked them up is multiple reasons. Well, one of them is they have a really high quality products. Their prices are not high for the stuff I'm buying, and they do shipping in a really fast time. It takes less than a week to deliver your item. Last but not least is the integration. Not every on-demand printing company have an integration with Amazon, eBay, etc. The reason you want integration, so it makes your life easy. You just integrate it one time. You don't have to take the manual order from eBay or Amazon and put it on that company. So for all of this reason, I ended up deciding I will go this one. And again, every link and every company I will mention today, you will find the link in the description. So feel free to go through all of the resources after my video finish. Now, we highlighted find an on-demand company, create an account. So if you want to sign up with the Printful, go ahead and click on the link below. Next, which is the other important step, is find the platform you wanna actually sell on. So I personally done Etsy, I done eBay, I done Amazon. I found out for products that's most likely custom made, Etsy is really great. I love it. I actually, most of the money I sold these items on was on Etsy last year. Amazon does great for me, but it doesn't do as good as Etsy because people are going for Etsy. They expect to pay more money to get stuff that's cool and more custom. Unlike Amazon, where people probably find their, price play a big portion. And because these are cute stuff, not everybody even have feel like, oh, I need to receive it next morning. So they would be willing to wait for 3-4 days. So I love that about them. I'm still making sales with these products. Actually, the one with my logo is probably one of the best. Now the third, number 3, is once you decide which platform you want, my recommendation, start with Etsy, because you only have to pay one time for every 6 months, a very smaller fee for every listing, and the whole automation process is very easy. Now you want to do Amazon, you're gonna have to pay $40 a month for a professional membership with Amazon. So my recommendation, don't go for Amazon first. eBay also gonna charge you some money. So, and I struggled with eBay integrations, their support sucks. So my recommendation, Etsy 1, Amazon number 2. And once you set this up, just go ahead and enjoy your life, literally. Now, let's move on to steps number 3, which is another important step. The artwork. Now, I cannot highlight how essential is this. In order for you to be able to sell these products in any website, you need to have something to put it on a mug, in a shirt, on whatever really you want. You can even put it on a socks or a phone cover. My recommendation is, if you have a funny quota, you want to put it in t-shirt, it's one way to do it, but there's no guarantee this is gonna sell. People care for the look. I'm buying a product that people want it to be funny. You can go ahead and pay somebody professional on Fiverr, or you can go ahead and buy Graphics World that's available for commercial use. A few good resources is Inventor. You can pay one-time yearly I guess fee of $100, and they give you access to a massive amount of graphics work, a lot of it for t-shirts. So you literally have to just take it, put it on one of these shirts or one of these mugs and sell it. This is amazing. The other thing that you can do is you can go to Graph River, which is also owned by Inventor, but you can only pay for specific artwork, something that you like and you want to publish. These are multiple resources and you can find many more. I'm gonna put all of the links for these websites also in the description in case you are interested. Now, once you find out what you want to put, and again, $5 for one of these or $100 a year and then get as much as you want, I'm gonna say this is a really good deal because I can make 100 products and start selling them. Now, you got your account with the on-demand company, you got your account with eBay or Etsy, and last but not least, you got your artwork. You are good to go. Now, the last step really is do the integration, and there is videos usually that walk you through how to do the integration. Etsy was a piece of cake. Amazon, it took me a little bit. eBay was a disaster, but I got it there. So keep in mind, different companies have different integration. Brentford, for example, they even allow me to sell on Wish, which is really huge platform for people who are shopping from China. Now, one thing I want to highlight, the expected return on investment. This mug cost me around $6 to order on Printful, but people are paying for this literally $25 and $28 on Amazon. I believe in Etsy I'm selling it a little bit cheaper, but they are selling very well. So people just love to find something that's cute, that's funny. It doesn't have to, you can do it for something political related. If there's a like election going on or whatever, just make sure you don't violate anybody copyrights. So don't take somebody's slogan and smash it on something and say I'm gonna sell it, because you can get in trouble. Do not use Google search for this stuff. Keep in mind that Etsy, Amazon, all of these companies would literally come after you if you violated the copyrights stuff, and they can suspend your account. So $5 is not worth getting in this mess. I hope you guys find this is useful. It's a very easy way and you can set it up and forget it. Now, my recommendation, if you're starting with Etsy, which is what I will personally recommend, make sure you use their ads. I love the ads for Etsy. I used to pay around $100 a month for ads, and I was selling for more than $1,000 a month. And I'm gonna be honest, that's considered a very decent deal. I do nothing. I'm not having to go ahead and post on social media. For me, I prefer to save time. Some of you may prefer to, hey, I don't want to put costs. So you can literally take your listing on Etsy or whichever website you want to sell in, and start sharing it on Facebook, Instagram, etc. But it's gonna be slower. It will take time. If you want to speed up the process, which what I usually do, I would pay for the advertising. I mean, Instagram, like you can pay for Instagram, for Facebook. The best ads worked for me so far, to be honest. On Etsy was Etsy ad, on Amazon was Amazon ad. So it's really your call. You can try if you have another method you want to use. Also, make sure you optimize the keyword when you do the listing. So take your time, do the listing, don't rush up, in order to make sure you have the perfect product. I hope everything we presented so far is useful for you guys. Anyone can do this business. You don't have to be in USA. It's like a piece of cake and really one of the best way to make money. I'm surprised how a lot of people overlook it. On-demand printing is one of the biggest ways to make money online. If you go ahead to YouTube, you see a lot of YouTubers putting their logo and their stuff online. What do you think they are doing? They are literally going to on-demand printing company. There's no famous YouTuber who's gonna go ahead and print a logo and make for you a t-shirt and send it. This is like complete nonsense. They just use this on-demand company to save them time, and because you guys love me, I will make sure I have my own t-shirts, air mug. If you want to support Wealthy Panda, you can go ahead and buy it. I will put it as well in the description. Hope you guys loved this video. Just of an FYI, some of the links we are using here, we are affiliated with the company. So if you find an affiliated link, it's a great way for you to help the channel. Anything else, I want you guys to remember we are running a giveaway right now for next month for my birthday, so it's a great way for you guys to get free money. I'm giving between $100 to $250 to one lucky winner. All you have to do is go back to that video, which you can find in the description, like it, put a comment, and subscribe if you are not a subscriber. If you're already watching this, I assume you're already a subscriber, and then all you have to do is put a comment, wish me a happy birthday. Thank you guys, and stay tuned with Wesley Benda.